My train leaves for London in less than an hour and I'm still not finished packing yet, so get ready to come with me to go to a fitness event in London. Got my little travel Bible here. Okay, we made it. Ooh, this is nice. Where is the light switch? I've had these on for like 7 hours. I'm going to give you guys an apartment tour that nobody asked for because I'm waiting for my delivery to arrive and I've got nothing else to do. So, first we have this lovely little mirror, which is very cutesy. Then we've got the kitchen. Lovely little kitchen. It's got an oven / microwave, not completely sure. Smeg. I think that's a coffee machine. It's got a fridge with my shaker. Turns out that whoever installed the sink forgot to account for the wall behind it, so I couldn't actually get any cold water out of this tap, unless I'm just being completely stupid. But the fridge saved the day because I just cooled some water down in there. Bathroom! I love this bathroom. It's very cute. And then the shower. We got soap, we got towels, we got all we need. And bed. Good bed. My first delivery came, but I've got another one and it says it's going to be in 2 minutes, so I'm just going to wait here and then grab that and head up back upstairs. My words aren't wording, guys. I'm tired. I need my food.
Have a nice one,
Thank
madam.
you so much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Have a good evening. Bed is secured. The lighting in this corner is not great, but I thought we could have a cute little dinner date. I know this is kind of the most gym bro thing ever, but I ordered some fish and rice and some veggies and it's got olives in there. Also, I only ordered 1, but they sent me 2. So I might just eat 2 because I am quite behind on calories today. Well, I am here for a fitness event that's happening tomorrow, but I decided instead of getting up at like 4 AM to get the train here, I would come today. Just praying it doesn't rain because the rain has been absolutely torrential back in Scotland, and if it's anything like that here, I'll be walking around like a drowned rat. Right, I'm gonna stop yapping so I can finish this because I need to get this food in me. I'm just kidding, the lights didn't work like that. I just thought it'd be a cool edit. Anyway, good night. We have just over an hour before we need to head, which isn't very long. So, on your gym. this is today's fit. I apologize in advance for the audio in this video because I don't know, like I've not got my mic on right now. It's gonna be hectic, but we're gonna roll with it. And yeah, I'm a bit later than I was intending to be because I forgot to put my tripod in my bag, so I had to unpack everything again, but we're going now. We're off. One thing I think is so cool about the Gymshark store is they have like smoothie bars just in the store. So after you've done a little workout, then you can come and get a smoothie. It's like, what other store has Callum is going to be giving us a tour.
We've got our sweat room, which is our studio in store. So we host a bunch of fitness classes throughout the week. There might be a class going on currently, so we won't go in there. We'll try and show you guys in a bit once it's done. But we host around 50 different fitness classes each week. We've got this area just behind us as well, is the rig area. So all of these products can be lifted into the ceiling, which creates a completely open event space on the ground floor. So we're on Regent Street, and we can have a bunch of events directly in the store just from this area here. So during the day, it's a shop as you see it now. Then in the evening, we can lift that into the ceiling, and we can have a full-blown event space in the middle of Regent Street.
That's really cool. It's insane.
Mannequins as well, which are...
Yeah, I saw C-Bum over there.
So there you go, there is C-Bum.
Yeah, C-Bum. Who are the others? Are they also
they'll
or
be
just
completely different? So there's some
okay.
signs, you haven't got signs on, so not exactly.
Oh right, so they're just random.
But yeah, they're
nice.
random mix. All of the fixtures in here are on wheels as well.
Okay.
So that's what I mentioned
Oh,
downstairs.
so you can just wheel them out the way?
We can wheel everything out of the way, so literally within like half an hour we can completely clear the whole of the store. And then when we do events and done that, we can completely transform the space. And then all of our fixtures around here are fully functioning gym equipment, so we can basically take the products off of there. And then we can use these as like squat racks and everything on it. So that's really cool. Yeah, and all of this is on wheels, so you can completely move it around.
So do you do like competitions and stuff in here?
We do, yeah. Currently, because we've just gone into Black Friday, it's just used for queuing for the fit rooms, because the fit rooms get absolutely mental. Yeah. But yeah, we can do a bunch of challenges in here. We host like seminars, things like that. So inside the fitting room, you've got different lighting options, and then if you need to change your size, change your product, you can press this button here, and the light above on the outside will turn red, and without the team will come support you. So there's none of it like running across the shop floor trying to grab other sizes, the team will do all that for you.
That is so good. That is next level. We couldn't go in the sweat studio because there was a class about to start, but Callum was a legend for this tour, so everyone spam the comments with thanks Callum. While we were waiting for the event to properly start, I tried to learn a muscle up for a good 20 minutes straight. Like, I really tried, you guys. I was taking notes, albeit mental notes, and trying to get the form down, but it just wasn't happening. The actual event, and we have no idea what's going on.
Can I join the vlog? So basically guys, what we're about to do is I jump on, do some pull-ups, wall throws, yeah. So I leave a piece of wordly advice. Most gamblers quit before their big wins, you know what I mean? That's a good one.
99% of gamblers win before they win big.
Or just hit the gym.
That is so true.
Just hit the gym.
Did you know I don't know what right?
Then the event suddenly started and I didn't manage to get any more content because I had like 6 minutes before my train left. But just imagine me doing burpees like my life depended on it, then rowing like I was trying to outpace a speedboat. That kind of sums it up pretty well. Okay, it has been a long couple days, but we are on the train home. I'm very tired, and yeah, the event was good though. I met some creators that I'd met before, but yeah, we just hung out, made some content.
Where she fails, she starts, and where she fails, I start. Easy.
I did take part in like half of one of the events, but they were sort of running late, so I had to run halfway through and then go get my train. But I did like 30 burpees, some rows, and that was pretty much it. Other than that, I'm really hopeful that I can learn a muscle up within the next year, because I was so close. Like, I used one of the thickest bands, but I was just like, I couldn't get over the top, so that was really annoying. But I will. I'm going to make it my mission to learn a muscle up. Now that my shoulder's getting better, hopefully that will be a possibility. My upper body progress has reduced a lot since my shoulder injury, and it's so frustrating. I feel like that's something that people don't talk about enough, is like how your fitness journey is never linear and injuries will pop up, but when those injuries happen, you've got to give yourself grace, you've got to work through that, and rest is actually going to be most beneficial. That was something that I definitely struggled with a lot, like during the whole recovery process, but I'm so glad that I actually took those few months to give myself rest. And then like with prayer as well, like God healed my shoulder at 90%, so we're still a little bit of a niggle, but we're getting there. I'm really excited for the comeback because guys, I've not trained upper body the way I want to for so many months now, and it's really been holding me back, both yes with my progress, but also like mentally, because I love training. And you might have gone through a similar thing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching this as it comes out, then the Gymshark Black Friday sale will still be live, so you can use code SophiereidFit to get yourself 10% off on top of all of the sale prices. Crazy. So yeah, make sure you do that, and I hope you get what you want. But if you like this kind of vlog style videos, I actually did go to Gymshark Lift London, which I'll link the video here. It was an insane event, a lot more eventful than this one, so check out that video next. Love you so much, and I'll see you there.